Hi there, I'm Jess, and this is going to be part one of a mini series all about starting your own business. And when I say this, I don't mean like, all right, we're going to go and we're going to go gung ho. I want to show you like slowly how to build a business idea so that when you're ready, you can take it and monetize it. Okay. Because the first step in business is actually recognizing what it actually is that you like. This can be something that you just like, or something that you do, or something that's an interest. Okay. It has to, the first step that you got to do is you got to find out what your topic is. And I don't want to say niche because niching down is a big mistake in business. This is like, what do you like? What is your talent? What is something you really feel strongly about, or something that you've done for a really long time? I'm going to give you some examples from my own personal life and see how you can apply it to yours. Okay. I love chickens. Okay. See the chickens on my apron? I have 22 chickens outside, and I have a chicken little business. Okay. And oh, I hate it when people do that to me, and I just did it to myself. When I say a business, I mean I'm taking my interest of chickens and I am slowly building up a business around it. Okay, so what am I doing about my interest as chickens? All right, I sell my eggs at my local post office. I have plans to breed chickens and sell them. Oh yeah, I want to be that crazy chick that goes to the like the farm shows and shows off their chickens. I want to do that. And I have a chicken YouTube channel. So just a YouTube channel where I just take videos of my chickens and talk about my chickens, and the entire thing is about chickens. So there's my interest and how I'm expanding it into something else. Here's a second example of how I take my interest and I've turned it into a business. So I have been creating natural skincare products and things like that in that genre, probably for 10 years now. But 5 of those 10 years, I didn't do it as a business. 5 of them was just me learning and exploring and making things. I used to make, I still do, but I started off with like a few skincare recipes for myself, some homemade cleaners for my home, exploring essential oils, and starting a natural lifestyle. That's how I got into where I am now, where I actually took courses to learn professionally how to make proper skincare products, candles, things like that. And so I took my interest and then I didn't do anything with it for 5 years. I built it up and then I turned it into Six Spice. And then with Six Spice, now I do a whole range of different things, from selling my products to teaching, selling locally, different things like that. So you can take an interest of yours, and it can be anything, and you turn it into something like a business. Okay. And when people, this is like one of the biggest things that really stops people, is they think, okay, so I'm starting a business, but I have to have like a brick and mortar shop, and I have to have a website, and I don't know how to do code, and I don't know how to build a website, and I don't have any products to sell, and I don't want to do coaching. Okay, that is like way down the road from where we need to start. The first thing you need to do is get your idea, and then we need to make a business name, and then we need to create an audience. And then once our audience and our audience is created and we're feeling kind of comfortable, then we can branch into the monetization of it. It doesn't go from idea to 100K a year. There are like tons of little steps along the way. So in part 2, I'm going to take you to the computer and I'm going to show you a tool you can use to help you create your business name. And then we'll go on to part 3, is how to take that name and then create how to set up all the different not revenues, but like avenues that you can use to then expand beyond and start building your audience. And this is like a very good step to start for someone who has very young kids, or they're in a job they don't like and they're looking at exploring different ideas and moving on and starting like a side hustle or getting a second income or something like that. When part 2 is ready, you can watch it in the next screen. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with somebody who you know who is ready to start making a business